what is a prism? A prism is a solid figure that has parallel and congruent bases that are both polygons. So here we have an example of a prism. Let's take this prism and identify the two bases. Remember, to identify the bases of a prism, we want to find two identical polygons. So let's look. Here we have a polygon right here. It's in the shape of a pentagon. And here's another pentagon right here. There are two identical pentagons in this prism. Those two pentagons are the two bases of this prism. So now we've identified the bases of this prism. Great! Now let's name this prism. Prisms are named for the shape of their bases. Our bases are shaped like pentagons. So this prism would be called a pentagonal prism. Cool! Now there are many different types of prisms. Here are two more types of prisms. Let's look at each of them. Here, we have two bases again. This one and this one. They're both shaped like triangles. So, we have a base here and a base here. These two congruent triangles are the two bases of this prism. And since our bases are shaped like triangles, this is called a triangular prism. Now let's take a look at this prism. Here we have a rectangle, and here we have another rectangle. These two rectangles are the two bases of this prism. And since our two bases are shaped like rectangles, this is called a rectangular prism. So remember, prisms come in all different types. In order to have a prism, you must have a solid figure that has parallel and congruent bases that are both polygons. And you name your prism for the shape of its bases.